Hey, hello everybody. So, if you already have members on your site and you've activated the statistics system for them, you're used to seeing something like this, okay? The way that it loads the stats, the amount of statistics that it shows, and how useful it is for your members, okay? In this particular case, this is one of our partners, and the member has more than 20,000 records. So we're using this one as a worst case scenario. On most of your cases, it will actually load faster. But the more information that they have, the slower that it will load. So here you're seeing a case where, for example, for a single year, they have more than 60,000 records. Um, so you have the slowness, the limitation of the information they can see, and how useful it is for the members. So what we're proposing is a new stat system. So here you can see the loading speed for the whole information of all the years, how it loads, how it shows, the fun facts that it shows in the beginning, how easy it is for the member to actually see the information right there, easy to digest, how they can separate the information between their profile, their posts that they created, the social media, in the case that they have social media. You can also, and you can see the fun facts changing depending on what they selected. You can also set, depending on your site, if you want to show the profile, the post, or the social. Some sites don't use social media for their members, some sites don't allow posts, and some sites don't want the members to actually see their profile information. But here you can see all that you have access to, how you can simplify the live and the viewing experience of the members for their own stats as a member of your site. If you would like to have this plugin on your site, just follow the links below and think positive as always. Bye.